Solved problems. Statement of comprehensive income, statement of owner's equity, statement of financial position. From the given balances of Arki's food basket on December 31, 2020, prepare the following requirements: statement of comprehensive income, statement of owner's equity, statement of financial position. Account balances: cash 140,290, notes receivable 30,000, accounts receivable 125,750, estimated uncollected accounts 4,835, merchandise inventory 785,345, prepaid insurance 6,000, office supplies 3,750, stores equipment 120,000, accumulated depreciation stores equipment 36,000, office equipment 60,000, accumulated depreciation office equipment 18,000, accounts payable 535, loans payable 50,000, accrued taxes 10,550, Arki's capital 516,135, Arki's drawings 48,000, sales 1,950,345, sales discount 24,820, purchases 1,320,500, purchase returns and allowances 2,585, purchase discounts 20,000, freight in 31,475, sales salary expense 115,600, advertising expense 18,000, freight out 12,260, miscellaneous selling expenses 6,875, depreciation expense, stores equipment 12,000, office salary expense 65,900, depreciation expense office equipment 6,000, rent expense 48,000, insurance expense 9,000, supplies expense 8,650, taxes expense 6,750, doubtful accounts 2,515, miscellaneous general expense 600, interest expense 6,000. Solution. In the books of Arki's food basket, the trial balance for the period ended December 31, 2020. Account titles debit credit. Let us prepare the trial balance from the account balances given in the problem. Cash debit 140,290, notes receivable 30,000, accounts receivable 1,225,750, estimated uncollected accounts 4,835 credit, merchandise inventory 785,345, prepaid insurance 6,000, office supplies 3,750, stores equipment 120,000, accumulated depreciation stores equipment 36,000 credit, office equipment 60,000, accumulated depreciation office equipment 18,000 credit, accounts payable 335,535, loans payable 50,000, accrued taxes 10,550, Arki's capital 516,135, Arki's drawings 48,000, sales 1,950,345, sales discount 24,820, purchases 1,320,500 debit, purchase returns and allowances 2,585 credit, purchase discounts 20,000 credit, freight in 31,475, sales salary expense 115,600, advertising expense 18,000, freight out 12,260, miscellaneous selling expenses 6,875, departmental store equipment 12,000, depreciation on stores equipment 12,000, office salary expense 60,900, depreciation office equipment 6,000, rent expense 48,000, insurance expense 9,000, supplies expense 8,650, taxes expense 6,750, doubtful accounts 2,515, miscellaneous general expenses 600, interest expense 6,000, total debits 3,14,080, total credits 2,943,985. The trial balance is not matching. There is an excess of 70,095 in the debits. So we put the balance in the suspense account balancing amount on the credit side 70,095, and the total debits will be now 3,14,080, and total credits including suspense account is 3,14,080. Let us prepare Comprehensive income statement for the period ended 31st December 2020. Sales 1,950,345 less sales discount 24,820. Net revenue 1,925,525. Operating expenses. Purchases 1,320,500 less purchase returns and allowances 2,585 less purchase discounts 20,000. Net purchases 1,297,915. Freight in 31,475. Total operating expenses 1,329,390. Gross profit 596,135. Selling and distribution expenses. Sales salary expenses 115,600. Miscellaneous selling expenses 6,875. Freight out 12,260. Advertising expenses 18,000. Total selling and distribution expenses 152,735. Office and admin expenses. Depreciation stores equipment 12,000. Office salary expense 60,900. Depreciation office equipment 6,000. Rent expense 48,000. Insurance expense 9,000. Supplies expense 8,650. Taxes expense 6,750. Doubtful accounts 2,515. Miscellaneous general expenses 600. Interest expense 6,000. Total office and admin expenses 165,415. Total selling and office and administrative expenses 318,150. Net profit 277,985. Statement of owner's equity. Arkis capital 516,135 less Arkis drawings 48,000. Net capital 468,135. Add net profit 277,985. Total owner's equity 746,120. Balance sheet as on 31st December 2020. Assets Current assets. Cash 140,290. Notes receivable 30,000. Accounts receivable 125,750 less estimated uncollected amounts 4,835. Net receivable 120,915. Merchandise inventory 785,345. Prepaid insurance 6,000. Office supplies 3,750. Total current assets 1,086,300. Non-current assets. Stores equipment 120,000. Accumulated depreciation stores equipment 30,000. Net stores equipment 84,000. Office equipment 60,000. Accumulated depreciation office equipment 18,000. Net office equipment 42,000. Total non-current assets 126,000. Total assets 1,212,300. Liabilities. Current liabilities. Accounts payable 335,535. Accrued taxes 10,550. Suspense account balancing amount 70,095. Total current liabilities 416,180. Non-current liabilities. Loans payable 50,000. Total non-current liabilities 50,000. Total liabilities 466,180. Owner's equity. Arkis capital 516,135 less Arkis drawings 48,000. Add net profit 277,985. Total owner's equity 746,120. Total liabilities on owner's equity 1,212,300. Total assets 1,212,300. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.